So the hair we have to unbox today is by DSoar Hair. On the front of the box it says their name, DSoar Hair, has their website on the bottom, and at the top it says 100% human hair. And then on the back we have, for the people who aren't that familiar with hair extensions or just hair in general, it has hair washing tips, so you can know how to take care of your hair correctly, and then hair care. It also has instructions and stuff on the bottom, and all their handles where you can follow them at. So I also love the fact that the hair comes in this really sturdy box. Like, you guys know me, I like to make excuse me, I like to make wigs out of every hair that I receive. Honestly, this is a wig too. I mean, so when I create the wigs, I like to store them in their rifle boxes so I don't get them mixed up. I know what company I'm wearing and all that. So let's open up the box and see what we got inside. On the inside it has a paper with your name on it, address, and hair information. I have the Brazilian Straight Hair 22, 24, 24, and a 20-inch lace frontal. So yeah, so when you open the box, it's like the slide up box is really sturdy, which is great. That's great packaging. And then right when you open the box, this is how it looks on the inside. And I'm not very familiar with this company, but I was doing a little research of my own, and I heard that you get a pair of mink lashes with every order. So boom. So this is how it looks on the inside. These mink lashes actually look bomb. Look at that. This is how the frontal comes packaged. I don't think I've ever had a frontal this long, so I'm excited about that. So this is the 20-inch Brazilian straight lace frontal. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to make a wig with this. I can't wait to work with this hair. Look how pretty and shiny it is. The luster is like perfect. Look at that. And then it comes with like baby hairs in the front, but you still have to do your own plucking. You still have to, I think from the looks of it, it's slightly pre-plucked, if you guys can see that. It's slightly pre-plucked, but you still want to pluck this hairline up. It's still pretty dense. As for smell, it doesn't have a fishy smell. It doesn't have a corn chip smell like a lot of other hair companies have. But it does have a smell. It's not like a stench. It's almost like I don't know if it's just me, but it's almost like a smoky smell. Not like cigarettes or anything, but like I don't know, like a smoky smell. That's what I'm picking up. But it's super beautiful. And I'm sure, that can like wash right out. So I have two 24s. So I'll open one 24 so you guys can see. And then I'll open the 22 as well. Oh, and this is how it comes packaged too. Each one is in like a little plastic sleeve. And then they have their own little tag on there. Super professional. 100% human hair. DSoarHair.com. And this is the 24-inch bundle. Look at the ends. These ends are really nice. And you guys know I always point out ends. These ends don't look like frail. These ends look pretty healthy. They look great to me, actually. And this hair is bouncy too. And I can only say so much about the hair. Like, that's why I'm like, oh, they look pretty good. They look, you know what I mean? I can't say, oh, this hair is amazing. It's not even in my head yet. So I can only give you like an initial, you guys know what I mean? So, but from the looks, look at that. From the looks of it, it looks pretty bomb. We gonna see. We gonna see. So that was a 24, and here's the 22. that. Oh, and these ends are even better. These ends are really thick. Let me see if y'all can see that. These ends are super thick, super full. Let's compare. Compare the length, I meant to say. So this is the 24 and this is 22. So yeah. And the bundles, they're not super thin, they're not super full, and I'm guessing it's because it's the longer lengths. Because you know, the longer the length, the thinner the bundle, but these aren't like skimpy thin, and the wefts are pretty neat. So that's a 22-inch bundle. And then this is the 20, no, this is the 24. This is the 22-inch bundle. So the wefts are pretty neat. Not too many like straggly hairs at the top. And I'm not noticing any, you guys know with AliExpress companies, you get those like red threads or like there's a little colored thread in there. It's so weird. I don't know why that happens, but there's none in this hair. There's not many gray strands in this hair. There's a couple, but if it claims to be human hair, I mean, you're probably gonna get that depending on the donor, but we're gonna see. That's another video. But yeah, it's looking beautiful. I might as well just open up the other one just to see how it all looks together and how thick what we're working with. How thick, how thick, how thick, how thick. So these are all the bundles together. And then on my install video, I'll show how the hair looks washed, because sometimes straight hair has like a slight wave to it once you wet it and wash it and stuff. So let me see, this frontal is full, like not in like a bad way. Like it's not skimpy, but it's also not like super dense where it's like it'll take you like a year to pluck it to customize it. So look at all the hair together. Look how full that is. Like this is like pretty much your ponytail, like all of the bundles together. I cannot wait to make a wig.